How to transfer WeChat to new phone. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to transfer WeChat to new phone. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open WeChat on your device. Sign into your account and select Me icon at bottom right. Now go to Settings and then tap Chats. Tap Chat History, Migration and Backup. Now choose Migration. Now here you got the options to migrate to WeChat for PC or migrate to mobile or tablet WeChat. So if you want to move WeChat to another device or phone, you need to select the second option, that is migrate to mobile or tablet WeChat. Tap select chats to migrate. And here you can easily select all the chats and tap on the start button at bottom right corner of your screen. And on another phone, you need to open WeChat on your new phone and scan the QR code given on the screen. And then your chats will transfer automatically. So that is it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.